In this video, you will learn how to take small art like this, or even a family photograph or a photograph of your favorite vacation spot, and give it a much bigger impact. I'm going to show you this pumpkin. I'll show you these bike riders. That was part of my video about how to get rid of artist block by using an art challenge. And also this sweet couple that I painted in that same challenge. So I will show you these three pieces of art and how to transform them into a standalone piece, not just on a little bookshelf or something. I am going to show you a time-lapse tutorial of how I painted this pumpkin. And I will do a full-fledged tutorial, full-length tutorial in the future on how to paint a pumpkin. But today's video's focus is more about taking these small art pieces and turning them into a bigger piece of art that again can stand alone. But in the time-lapsed video, I will show you how I painted the pumpkin and of course added my fun scribbly little lines at the end with my black pen and my white gel pen. So let me get started with that. It's going to be very brief and then we'll show you how to transform these small pieces. To start off, I just did an oval and then two crescent moon shapes on either side of the oval. Drew in a little stem, do it as wonky as you want. I have some watered down orange and just doing a light wash of orange for my first layer of the pumpkin. And for the stem, I'm just going to do a brown color, whatever brown color you have. I did end up painting in those white spots because they just weren't doing it for me. We can always add them later. We're going to allow that first layer to dry completely. And then I added some brown to my orange paint just to give it a more rusty look rather than the bright orange. I was just not feeling the bright orange. So that's the second layer of that, and adding more brown to the stem to darken that up as well, allowing that to completely dry, and then coming back in with my brownish orange color. And here you can just play with shading if you'd like, or you can completely cover it again for a richer, darker pumpkin. And you can do this as many times as your heart desires. You're just going to play with this until you like the look of it. You can do layer after layer. Just be sure to allow each layer to dry in between. And then you can really darken up that color and make it super rich. And do the same with the pumpkin. Of course, I'm coming in with my black pen for my finishes, and I really did think I was finished, so I signed it. But da, 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 the jelly roll was calling my name as usual. You know it's hard for me to not add white gel pen at the end. And in this one, I'm just coming in here and adding the white gel pen wherever I think the light might be hitting the pumpkin. So you are more than welcome to leave this step out, or if you add it, just put as much or as few highlights as you'd like, and give that stem a little light love too. And there you have it. Look at this fun, whimsical little piece. The pen, you know, I say it in every video that I do it. I love it. It just adds fun and whimsy and just, hey, look, I'm not perfect. I'm a pumpkin. I'm not perfect. I'm a person. I'm not perfect. I'm just having fun here. So add as many scribbles or as few as you would like and just have fun with this. Now, I know you would never put this piece of paper up on the wall with painter's tape over a nail that's already in the wall. I'm just showing you this for some size perspective because once we get our little Hobby Lobby frame that is regularly priced $19.99, so you know you can get it for 40 or 50% off when it's on sale, and put that in there, position it, secure it, and guess what? Voila, you've got a legitimate piece of artwork that can stand on its own. So cute. Now, our wall already had a nail in it, so I just hung it right there. If this were going to stay in this spot, I would totally move the nail down a little bit. But look how beautiful that looks and just how finished it looks. And also with the bikers, you know, that was on a kind of, it was on a torn piece of paper. I literally tore that paper in half so that I could do some practice paintings. And that was not painted for this size of mat or frame. I just made it work. I just put it in there. And also with the pop of color that it adds, it's just beautiful. And I did the same with the little couple that I painted. I just think this is the sweetest little spot. And it just finishes it off and it really does take it to the next level. So I hope this video gave you an idea, some inspiration to take your art or photograph to the next level. You take good care and join me in the next video.